So in this video we are going to import the player for our game. So if you go to the sketch tab, so let's first you just need to log in. So I have logged in. So if you search for the shopping cart, so we are going to use this shopping cart as our player. So if you go to the download 3D model, so thank you for this model. I cannot pronounce this. Is Ilian Fehimovsky. So thank you for this model for providing the free to us. So you can click on the download 3D model. So after that you can just download on the FBX file. You can just click on this FBX file and it will show up like this. So when you go to the download section, you just need to extract it. So this will be our folder. So you can just drag and drop to our project. Okay, so let me create first one folder. So if you want to create folder, you just need to right click on the asset folder and create an folder, and I'm going to rename this as models. Double tap on it to open that folder, any folder, and when you drag and drop on this you can see the model is imported in our project. So when you go to the, if you like, drag in the hierarchy, drag and drop. So as you can see here, the player is being imported in our game. So let's up by one. So first you just need to unpack this completely. So let's name it at 0.5. So I think this one looks smaller, so I'm going to make it a bit large, like 1.5 would be good for it. Okay, so we have imported the player, the player. In the next video we are going to make the player movement. The player moves in the X direction, like in horizontally, from in the range between this and this. All right, so thank you very much. See you in the next video. Cut.